Hey there, future calculus whiz. Are you tired of struggling through those calculus classes? Let me introduce you to the ultimate solution, Numberbender's online calculus course. So, what's in it for you? Well, imagine learning calculus in a way that's actually easy to understand. Yep, that's right. With Numberbender, you get crystal clear explanations, interactive lessons, and tons of practice problems that help you master those tricky concepts. Plus, you can learn at your own pace, no more rushing through formulas. But why choose Numberbender over your regular school teacher? Here's the secret. Numberbender makes calculus fun. It's not just about watching videos. You'll dive into real-world examples that make those concepts finally click. And if you need a refresher, just hit replay anytime. Now, let's talk about your instructor, Dr. E. With over 20 years of teaching experience, he's guided countless students through calculus, from high school AP calculus to college-level calculus series. He knows exactly how to make challenging topics feel accessible and engaging. Oh, and let me tell you about Cerebry. This AI-powered platform adapts to your learning style. It gives you personalized feedback and quizzes, so you know exactly where to focus. It's like having a personal tutor right at your fingertips. The primary goal of Numberbender's online course is simple: to eliminate your fear of calculus and prepare you for the rigor of college-level education, where independent learning is key. Calculus is the gateway to a future in STEM careers, and we want you to feel confident and ready to tackle whatever comes next. Be prepared when you step into college. So, if you want to ace calculus and actually enjoy learning it, check out Numberbender's course. It's time to turn those I don't get it moments into aha moments. Start your journey today.